Welcome to QuickCircle, Asset and Resource Management software. Now the next red-coded bar shows Works, which shows various tasks of different departments like housekeeping, maintenance, out of order, front office, F&B, manager-created works, emergency works, and kitchen food order. In the housekeeping work, you can see the box of room number 209 turns green, which means the task has been started by the staff device. Tasks include functioning of AC, TV, lights, washroom, electric kettle, and room device. Once the staff member starts the work, information of same with timeline will reflect on manager device so that they can monitor or check the status of work. For example, the screen shows the task of AC has been checked, which means that power, temperature, and remote are in working condition and hence is marked green. The same process goes with other services also. While the electric kettle has been shown red, which means there is some problem with the functioning of that product. With the electric kettle being marked red by the housekeeping staff, the device will automatically send a notification to the maintenance department for checking and repairing the kettle. With such facility, hotel staff will keep track of the time assigned to any department, thus managing all work in real time. This screen shows the list of services catered by the hotel to the guest in the room itself, which will be provided in the Platinum version. Services include guest services, room service, laundry, housekeeping, lights, and checkout. In the guest services, hotel staff will provide guests facilities to take care of their necessities such as travel desk support, hotel facilities, customer feedback, and complaints. If there is a room cleaning requirement, guests can click on the housekeeping button and the request will go to the department. The main USP of the device is that lights of room or washroom can be switched off or on automatically with the help of device rather than using switchboard. Guests' device have the options for food and beverage menu from where they can order their delicacies and also customize according to their taste. After ordering, guests can confirm the order with the help of View Order option. Once the order gets reflected at the food and beverage counter, the timer will start above the task, which will be shown on the guest device, so that the guest can also see the status of the arrival of food. From F&B service, food information will go to F&B production in the form of KOT, which will help the chef to prepare the dishes, hence it will help in improving the efficiency of work. The order amount of the services will be automatically added to the guest folio after clicking on Confirmed button.